Hello, welcome back to my channel. As promised from my previous vlog, I'll be doing an unboxing of my new craft product. This is the VR Memory Laser Square. So this is perfect for scrapbooking, for making your lines straight and balanced. But for me, I'll be using this one for addressing envelopes since I'll be doing some wedding commissions. And on the box it says that the measurement is on inch and metric, and then laser slides from 0 to 12 inches, so that's 0 to 30.5 centimeters. And then it includes a matte and laser square that you can break down for convenient storage. Laser square can be also adjusted to a 90 degrees angle or placed together in a straight line. And then it includes a self-healing work surface or a mat. This product also requires you to have two 9 voltage battery. So for now, I'll be doing the unboxing. I can't make a product review yet or a product testing because I don't have a 9 voltage battery with me, but I'll be making a separate video for that one so you can see. So as you can see, this includes a manual, a self-healing mat, which is very packed. Well, the laser square is broken down into two for easy storage, which is good. So I'm really excited to use this one because I've been doing some letterings lately, and I also had a wedding commission wherein I have to address envelopes, so I'll be using this product. Here it is, the two laser squares. So this is where the laser is placed, and then at the back, this is where you place your battery. So there's a one, you need 9 voltage battery in this one, and then another one on the second square, on the second half of the square. So I suggest that whenever you're not using this one, to remove the battery. So, and make sure to always read the manual so that you will be able to use this one properly. I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and please watch out for my next video. Bye!